A new habitat has appeared, entirely designed and constructed by one species for its own purpose. These crevices contain the highest density of lizards in the world. And to early visitors, this new world was already home to First Nations people.
My husband Bruce is now in here. You want a beer?
I would argue that they're missing the forest for the trees.
A young brain searches for understanding in slow stages, working out what things are and how they work.
And semantically correct.
But no sign of the national emergency.
Out comes the tiny, underdeveloped little worm.
Pretty tranquil down here.
We got to do what we can. We always have.
This is a male, and life here suits him well. This extraordinary creature is half blind, half deaf, and this is just about as fast as it can move.
I've been talking so.
You might think that this is some kind of circus trick for which she's been specially trained, but not so. She is doing this entirely on her own initiative. She's seen others doing it, and she's copying.
I don't feel no ways tired. I come too far.
This male has gigantic testes, the largest in the world. They weigh a ton and produce gallons of sperm.
You know, it's just awfully good that someone with the temperament of Donald Trump is not in charge of the law in our country.
Because you'd be in jail.
Secretary Clinton,